Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel Blogging Clips. Well, today I'm going to review a Helium 10's product research tool, a tool named Strengthster. Well, just in case if you are an Amazon seller's tool, means Amazon seller who might be looking to different aspects like product research, keyword research, listing optimization, learning analytics, operation, and even with marketing, I have got a tool that can help you with almost everything. A tool that can help you with product research, keyword research, and everything that I have just mentioned at a single place. And Amazon sellers, an Amazon suite that can help you make yourself a better and efficient Amazon seller. Well, let's get started with what exactly the Helium 10 has to offer in terms of product research, and let's take a look at how Trendster can help you in finding the Amazon trends that are helpful. Okay, well, but before starting, you can use our coupon code BLOGGY50 to get 50% off on the first month of Helium 10 and BLOGGY10 for a recurring discount of 10% on Helium 10 plans. So let's get started with what Helium 10 Trendster has to offer and a small overview of what Helium 10 can help you with. Well, okay, so I've already logged into my account over here for Helium 10. As you can see over here, it offers different options like to research a keyword, step up keyword, and much more. Well, today we are going to look forward for the product research part, and basically the Amazon product research part has different features, has different tools in itself for Helium 10, which includes Blackbox, Trendster, Magnet for keyword research. These two tools, the Blackbox and Trendster, are for the product research part, whereas the Magnet, Cerebro, Frankenstein, and an index checker over here are more of a keyword research part, and whereas you can also look after different aspects of listing optimization as well, which includes Scribble over here. And you can also do inventory management, profit management, even with just in case if your means the sellers means the customers are making any mistakes in the spellings, that they might be misspelling the product. There are also some opportunities where you can earn some money over your product. Well, we will be looking onto it later in our next videos. Well, getting started with the tools, let's take a look at what exactly the Trendster has to offer. Well, getting along with the Trendster, I've actually logged into my account with the Amazon.com means marketplace. Well, you can come across different sections like Amazon Canada means Amazon.ca for Canada, and for different places like India and even Japan. Japan is the newest edition made in Helium 10. Well, here you can see different options, two different options for entering the ASIN to check their price and BSR trends, and the second one is for the four phrases to check the means this one is basically the keyword part and this one is the ASIN part. ASIN basically refers to the Amazon standard identification number that every product in Amazon has. For example, let's get started with it without any further ado. Well, here I have one product, means I have also installed the Helium 10 Chrome extension. So as you can see over here, it also shows the listing health score 10 out of 10 for this product. Well, you can also click on it for the product images, listing text, and everything. We don't need to do that at this moment. For example, let's take a look at what exactly this controller has in. Also, you can see as you can see over here, Helium 10 also offers this tab over here where you can check the inventory levels, X-ray, keywords, listing optimization, and even the profitability calculator. As you can see over here, here's the ASIN number that is offered by this products. Okay, so let's click on the Trendster, input the product, get along with the word controller. Nintendo. Well, since we are talking about Nintendo, let's also check on the Nintendo Switch. I have already got this tab open over here. As you can see, the last product was having a listing health score of 10 out of 10, whereas the Nintendo Switch is having an 8.05 out of 10. Well, you can check different features, means you can check out different things for why this product is having actually a score of 8. For example, the number of images used over here, main image of the white background is not over there, and so on and so forth. Well, getting along with the ASIN number, as we were going, let's copy this ASIN number and fill it over here in the Trendster. Now this is the Nintendo Switch. Okay, I'm not inputting, means I'm not doing any input for the ASIN 3 and 4, as 2 are more than enough to check out how exactly the trend checker work in Helium 10. Okay, now starting on with the start Trendster. As you can see over here, the Nintendo Switch with neon blue, means the word we just entered over here, the ASIN number is over here. The graph shows us different things for the new prices, list prices, the number of sales rank, and much more. Well, you can see over here the interest over time, means since we are looking for the interest part of this tool, means how exactly the Helium 10 works and what are the trends over here. And the interest over time has been a kind of a zigzag over here. For example, on 26th of March there were 100 searches for the Nintendo Switch, which was going down for 68%, 95, then 99, then 72, 73, 70, 100, and so. Well, okay, here's 0. Okay, well, and here is our second product, which has the rating of 1.774, and here is our Nintendo Switch with rating 110.720. You can also come across product reviews and everything. Well, we are not going to get along with that part at this moment. In addition to that, you can also check for different time period that how the certain product was working on that certain trend. For example, clicking on the 24 hours will show us how exactly this Nintendo Switch keyword and the product we just mentioned over here is working along with it. Okay, so the new price is $299, and the sale price was $29.99. Okay, a difference of 99 cents. Well, here you can see there were trends. Sales rank was decreasing 19, 20. Okay, you can also check out for 7 days and even the all time. Well, it's not needed at this moment to look out for more into it. Well, this is what exactly this Trendster help you with for finding a better for finding how exactly the trends are working on Helium, means on Amazon using Helium 10. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.